Did you know that someone dies from heart disease every 33 seconds in the United States alone? It's the leading cause of death worldwide, but here's the thing, a huge part of that risk is tied to what we eat. So here's a question, what if you could support your heart and even help clear your arteries, just by adding the right foods to your plate? Welcome to the channel. Today we're talking about the real, research-backed secrets to heart health, specifically, the foods that can help improve blood flow, reduce cholesterol, and support cleaner, healthier arteries. And before we dive in, if you're dealing with a pre-existing condition, it's essential you speak to your healthcare provider before making big changes to your diet. This video is for informational purposes, and your health decision should always be guided by a medical professional. Also, don't forget to download your free Heart Health Fact Sheet PDF, teas packed with all the key foods we'll cover today, plus extra tips to help you build your own heart-smart meal plan. Alright, let's jump in. Why do our arteries get blocked? So what's going on inside our bodies? Over time, plaque, a sticky mix of fat, cholesterol, and other substances can build up in the walls of our arteries. This narrows the pathways that blood flows through, making it harder for your heart to do its job. It's like trying to water your garden through a clogged hose. This can lead to high blood pressure, heart attacks, and strokes. But the good news? What you eat every day can either make things worse or dramatically better. Let's talk about the foods that actually help. First up, leafy greens like spinach, kale, arugula, and Swiss chard. These are packed with nitrates, natural compounds that help your blood vessels relax and improve blood flow. They're also full of vitamin K, which helps prevent calcium from building up in your arteries. Try tossing some spinach into a smoothie or swapping your sandwich bread for a lettuce wrap. It's an easy win for your heart. Next, oats. Yep, a simple bowl of oatmeal can do wonders. Oats contain beta-glucan, a type of soluble fiber that binds to cholesterol in your gut and helps remove it before it enters your bloodstream. Studies show that eating oats regularly can lower LDL cholesterol, the bad kind, and support overall heart function. Just make sure to skip the sugary packets and go for plain rolled or steel-cut oats. Let's talk berries, blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries. These little guys are loaded with antioxidants, especially anthocyanins, that reduce inflammation and help prevent cholesterol from oxidizing, which is what makes it stick to artery walls. A handful of berries with breakfast, in a smoothie, or even frozen for a snack, they're sweet, satisfying, and heart-healthy. Now, here's a big one, fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, sardines, and trout. These are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which help lower blood triglycerides, reduce inflammation, and improve the flexibility of your blood vessels. The American Heart Association recommends eating fatty fish at least twice a week. Not into fish? You can also get omega-3s from algae oil supplements or flaxseed, but fatty fish is the gold standard. Moving on to nuts and seeds, especially walnuts, almonds, chia seeds, flax seeds, and sunflower seeds, they contain unsaturated fats, fiber, magnesium, and plant-based omega-3s. These help reduce LDL cholesterol, lower blood pressure, and support your artery structure. Just watch your portions, nuts are calorie-dense, so a small handful a day is plenty. Next up, avocados. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats, which help lower bad cholesterol without touching the good kind. They also provide potassium, a mineral that helps keep blood pressure in check. Try adding slices to your salad, blending them into a smoothie, or making a simple guac to pair with veggies. Let's not forget about drinks. Green tea is full of catechins, powerful antioxidants that support healthy blood vessels and reduce inflammation. Some studies even suggest that regular green tea drinkers have lower risks of heart disease. Aim for 1 to 2 cups a day, but go easy on the sweeteners. And now, a surprising one, pomegranate. This fruit is bursting with polyphenols, compounds that may help reduce plaque buildup in the arteries and improve blood flow. In one study, drinking pomegranate juice daily helped lower blood pressure and even reduced the thickness of artery walls. Try adding the seeds to a salad or drink a small glass of 100% pomegranate juice, no added sugar. What's really interesting is how these foods work together. For example, combining green tea with pomegranate gives you a double dose of anti-inflammatory and antioxidant support. Or pairing oats with berries for breakfast gives you fiber and polyphenols in one go. This isn't about one magic food, it's about the consistent inclusion of heart-friendly nutrients into your day-to-day meals. Let's recap. If you want to support your heart and promote clear, healthy arteries, focus on leafy greens, oats and other high-fiber foods, berries, fatty fish like salmon, nuts and seeds, avocados, green tea and pomegranate. These foods don't just support your heart, they can actively improve your blood flow, reduce inflammation, and help protect your cardiovascular system from long-term damage. What's your favorite heart-healthy food? Drop it in the comments, I'd love to know what you're adding to your plate. And if you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and check out my other videos on nutrition, wellness, and simple food strategies for a healthier life. Don't forget, grab your free heart health PDF fact sheet with all these foods, plus some bonus meal ideas to get you started today. The link is pinned to the top of the comments. Thanks for listening, and here's to a stronger, healthier heart.